Hey there YouTubers, I'm going to be doing a quick video on this pump that I just bought. It's a FuelWorks DC diesel pump, flow rate 10 gallons per minute. And the reason I bought it is I had this other barrel pump here. Bought it for $10 on a special discount, sort of used item. And it turned out that the seals inside here were all broken. And when I started pumping it started leaking out the handle. So these things were selling for about 50 bucks Canadian. I got this on sale for $79 Canadian, and it's going to be a lot less work than the barrel pump to actually start pumping some diesel. And so I'm running, this runs off a 12 volt battery or 24 volt, and as you can see, duty cycle 30 minutes, and it includes the 6.5 foot cable with alligator clamps. So I just opened it up. It came with this instruction package. Basically it came with this handle. It was separate from the unit. So in order to connect the handle, you can see here there was a hex nut here. So I searched. It did not come with this key. I had to get it. It says it's a 5/32 key here, and it was kind of awkward to install this, but got it on now. And the inlet and outlet here, I just took off these plastic covers, and I've got a hose. As you can see, it's all specially made for pumping diesel, or I'm going to be using it for home heating oil, but essentially the same thing. And for the inlet side of things, I have this, it's basically a 6-foot garden hose with a special adapter here. I bought the home hardware store for about $6, and it threads threads just perfectly into here. And so I was hoping to use this as my intake line. Like I was going to put you can buy those there's special little metal filters that you can put on the end here for garden hoses, and I was hoping that would be okay for the applications that I'm just pumping out some diesel, because sometimes I go to places where people are trying to get rid of their old oil tanks in their basements, and so they need to get the oil out of the tank before they can remove the tank. And so a lot of times they'll just give the oil away for free, or maybe charge you 50 cents a liter or something Canadian. And so I've been using it. Sometimes they'll give it away. The other day I was going to get some for free until my little red pump here broke. So I'm hoping to use this. You guys can let me know if it's just temporarily in the diesel. I don't think it's going to damage the hose that much, but you guys who are experts, you can maybe let me know what might happen, or if you can think of a cheaper or better alternative for me here. And so as for the alligator clips, I noticed that it had some fuses on the end here, which is good. And so that's my setup. I'm going to be doing a video quite shortly on the installation of this oil tank that I've got for my fuel storage. So I'm running my furnace off oil right now, and I have a really old tank in the basement. It's probably about 70 years old. It could leak at any time. So I'm going to be replacing it. I've just bought a second-hand used Roth oil tank, and it's got double protection. Like, it's got the interior molded plastic insides, and then on the outside is a metal encase. Basically it's all metal all around. I don't believe so the metal can't leak, so if it leaks out of the plastic, it can fill, the entire volume can fill up into the metal container. And so I'm going to be doing a video on that shortly as I install it into my basement. So anyways, I hope you like this video. I hope it has everything that you wanted to know about this particular pump. I'll just give you maybe a quick view here on the different angles. That's what we've got on this side. And on the bottom, of course, it's just nothing on the bottom, but yeah, so hope you like the video. Please give me comments or subscribe, or give me a thumbs up. That would be great. Thanks very much.